Suju recommends prison for all. In an attempt to rebuild a reputation flipping the narrative, the disgraced 3-act financier says he enjoyed life behind bars. I had the best sleep of my life. By Daniel Kuhn, Jan 29, 2024 at 8:51 p.m. Updated Jan 29, 2024 at 8:56 p.m. By Daniel Kuhn, Jan 29, 2024 at 8:51 p.m. Updated Jan 29, 2024 at 8:56 p.m. By Daniel Kuhn, Jan 29, 2024 at 8:51 p.m. Updated Jan 29, 2024 at 8:56 p.m. Suju flipped the script. After months of people responding to his posts on social media saying the former hedge fund manager should be in jail, he's now recommending everyone spend a stint in prison. Is it gall or is it just good posting? No one wants to go to prison, but I think it's actually a really enjoyable experience overall, Zhu said in a clip of an unnamed and unreleased podcast shared recently on Twitter/X. Apparently his 3-month incarceration gave him time to decompress, read and realign his spine. This is an excerpt from the Node newsletter, a daily roundup of the most pivotal crypto news on CoinDesk and beyond. You can subscribe to get the full newsletter here. Unmute Zhu is obviously a controversial figure. When 3-act blew up, it reportedly owed creditors $3.3 billion, helping to kickstart a contagion event that erased trillions in value from retail and institutional investors' portfolios. Davis and Zhu then began traveling the world, primarily to countries with non-US extradition treaties, and refused to collaborate with investigators. But Zhu is follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.